Hi guys, it's Drew here from Prepared Camping, and today I'm going to make toad in a hole with the British mess tins. Let's go, shall we? For any Americans watching this that don't know what toad in a hole is, it's basically sausages baked in batter, and it's quite delicious. Now, the sausages I'm going to be using today are Cumberland sausages, which are a nice sausage with plenty of flavourings in already from the spices and herbs that have been added to them. So I'm just going to use a plain batter mix. But other people might use plain sausages with a flavoured batter mix. Whatever you prefer, really. So that's the sausages browned all over. Time to add the batter. So, like I said, I'm using the plain batter here of 4 tablespoons of plain flour, a little pinch of salt, 1 beaten egg, 4 tablespoons each then of water and milk. So I've mixed together at home and I left overnight. And I've carried it out in this little plastic bottle so I can give it another quick shake and tip it on top. Now, I was worried actually with this that I'd either have too much sausages or too much batter, but it seems that the measurements I've done here have worked out rather spot on. Bit of a result, that. Because to give them room to grow, you don't want to actually fill your pan more than halfway up, because this batter will rise. Simply you put the other mess tin on top as a cover, and then we can put a couple of bits of charcoal on and get like that nice oveny effect going on. And then don't touch it for 20 minutes, basically. You know, sit on your hands. So it's making some rather nice sizzling noises there. I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up or not. So now for the big reveal. And that looks pretty good to me actually. I'm sure there's people in Yorkshire that say it's a dog's dinner, but you know, they're hard to please, them lads. I'm quite impressed with that. That'll do. So let's see what it tastes like. So yeah, that's really good actually. I wish I'd brought some more mess tins with me and done a nice onion gravy to go with it. That's cracking. So, you know, as usual guys, let me know what you think in the comments box below. Any questions, anything like that. Till next time, take care. So, thanks very much for your time guys. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing here. Or if you want to watch another video like it, try this one out. Cheers.